Will artificial intelligence or AI replace realtors? With AI writing emails, answering questions, and even estimating home values, which is scary, it's a valid question, okay? So, here's the reality. AI is changing real estate, okay? Like when online listings happen and things like that. However, the human element of buying and selling a home is not going away, okay? And it's more valuable than ever. Now, great realtors will use AI as a tool. It doesn't replace a realtor in what they do. So one of the reasons is buying and selling a home is emotional, right? AI doesn't deal with emotions. Home is not just another purchase. It's where people raise families, celebrate milestones, and build memories. AI just analyzes data, okay? It can't understand the emotions behind selling the family home after 30 years. It can't comfort a nervous first-time home buyer, right? And it can't help a senior who is looking to downsize, okay? Those situations require empathy, patience, and experience, okay? Another point is every real estate transaction is different. There's no vanilla, template real estate transaction. They're all different. So one inspection reveals foundation issues, another appraisal comes in low, a title problem suddenly appears, a buyer loses financing at the last minute, which happens. AI may suggest possible solutions, but an experienced realtor knows how to negotiate, adapt, and keep the transaction moving along. Third point is negotiation is still human, right? AI can't go back and forth with proper negotiation. They just can't. And negotiation isn't simply about just making an offer. Okay, it's reading the other party, knowing when to push and not to push, knowing when to compromise, understanding personalities, who you're dealing with, building trust. Those skills come from experience. They don't come from algorithms, okay? A fourth point is local knowledge matters. AI may be able to pull up market data and information about an area. For one, you should actually fact check that. But two, realtors know the local neighborhood that they're in, okay? Or they should. So a local realtor can tell you which neighborhoods are gaining popularity, which streets are quieter, if they're familiar, where future development may impact values, and how buyers in your local market are behaving right now. What's going on? Is it a buyer's market, seller's market? How is that going to affect you? Okay, that's information gathered through experience, not just data being pulled. Okay, fifth point is AI doesn't attend home inspections. They're not there when a home inspector is doing a report card on a property. Okay, they don't walk through a home with you. It won't notice unusual odors. It won't spot signs of deferred maintenance. It won't recommend local trusted contractors. Okay, having someone physically present who knows what to look for is incredibly valuable. AI can't do home inspections, okay? The sixth point is realtors protect their clients. So one of the most overlooked parts of our job as a realtor is protecting clients from costly mistakes, okay? We help review contracts, by the way, although we're not attorneys, but we do review contracts in basic terms. We coordinate inspections. We manage deadlines. We communicate with lenders, title companies, attorneys, potentially, and contractors if hired, okay? So missing one deadline could cost thousands of dollars, okay? So AI can help organize information, yes, but someone still needs to oversee the entire process. The last point is AI is a tool, it's not a replacement. I like AI because it's a tool, it makes my job easier, okay, but it's not a replacement for what I do. Okay, here's something many people don't realize, okay? The best realtors actually use AI, okay? If they're not, hire someone who does, okay? We use it to improve marketing, write property descriptions, they come out really nice. We generate ideas from it. We organize information, like I mentioned earlier, and it helps us respond faster. Okay, that means clients receive better service while still benefiting from the human expertise, okay? Expertise, I meant to say. So, some closing thoughts, okay? Technology has changed real estate many times, okay? The internet didn't replace realtors. Online home searches didn't replace realtors. Electronic signatures didn't replace realtors, okay? And AI won't replace realtors either. Okay. Instead, AI is becoming another powerful tool that helps great realtors serve their clients even better. I hope you found this episode valuable. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell me what you think about AI in general. And if you're a realtor watching, all right, how are you using AI to benefit your business? Otherwise, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you on the next one.